Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you got selected in Accenture, this update can literally decide how your onboarding goes. Recently, many students are getting the mails about pre-onboarding hands-on assessment. So I literally asked regarding this pre-onboarding hands-on assessment to my friend. He shared his real experience with me, which I'm going to tell you guys in this video. So let's start. What is this assessment? So this is for the students who already cleared the hiring rounds, mainly roles like Java full stack plus GenAI, Python, .NET full stack. This round plays a major role in your onboarding process. There were many rounds in the pre-onboarding assessment. The first round was MCQ round. The questions in this were MCQ based. Those were advanced level questions, not the basic. And the second one is the hands-on coding round. In the hands-on coding round, there are real coding or project based and focuses on logic building, problem solving, real world implementations. So now mock assessment. Many students got mock test mail. Example, the date was on April 8th, timing was 9:30 am to 11:30 am, mode was online, link was shared 30 minutes before the exam, and most people skip mock with mistake because this mock assessment is to check your system stability, internet stability, and gives a real exam experience. Sometimes even mock performance matters. So real experience, which I heard from my friend. Now listen carefully. This is something I personally asked my friend. So I asked my friend about this hands-on round. He told me his friend also had the mock test on April 8th. And bro, it was not easy. He said there was a Spring Boot project. Yeah, he chosen the Java full stack as his domain. There was Spring Boot project in that mock assessment. It had three packages: model, view, controller, and each package had around 10 files. Already sounds heavy, right? And on top of that, many methods were given, and many some of the methods were implemented, and some of the methods was given him to implement. And it took around 1.5 hours to understand the project. So imagine the difficulty level. This is not like solving one question, it's like working on a real company project. Also, one more thing, the same person has the actual hands-on assessment on April 9th. So I will ask him about the real experience, and also I will share everything in the next video. So now how to prepare for the Java students: be strong in OOPS concepts, practice advanced topics like trees, graphs, dynamic programming, and very important, prepare Spring Boot, especially CRUD operations, create, rate, update, delete. Why? Because in the real projects, most tasks are CRUD based only. For Python full stack and .NET and further domain, I haven't asked anyone. So if you guys know about this thing, please comment. So what my preference is, prepare both front end and back end and focus on logic building. And think like this test is not asking what is coding, it is asking can you build something. So in real world, you won't write definitions, you will be given a task and told to complete this. This is exactly what this round is. Before going to any round like coding round, read all instructions carefully, check your email regularly, and don't ignore mock test. Prepare at advanced level. So overall, this assessment is very important for your Accenture journey and also hearing real experience. I can clearly say one thing: don't take lightly, prepare seriously, and don't be panic. So you whatever you know, you put your 100% and prepare yourself. And yes, in the next video I will share the actual hands-on experience of April 9. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.